The 2025 Volvo XC60 combines cutting-edge design with advanced safety features, offering a sophisticated driving experience for those who value innovation and comfort. Auto headlights adjust seamlessly for optimal visibility, and park assist makes maneuvering effortless, ensuring you navigate any space with confidence. Step inside to enjoy heated front and rear seats for ultimate comfort, and a Harman Kardon sound system for immersive audio. With car finance rates from 9.9% APR, you can spread the cost of your car over a flexible term of up to 60 months. Call or visit Gardx today to schedule your test drive of the 2025 Volvo XC60. Speak to our team about paint protection, tyre and wheel protection, and cosmetic repairs for complete peace of mind.